Hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about developing leadership trait. So let's see what are the ways to develop a good leadership. That means how to become a good leader. If a person is become a good listener, then only he can become a good leader. That means a person who are able to identify the pain of others can lead a gang. That means can lead a crowd. So there are some personality trait which lead a person into a good leader. So there are some leadership traits. So let's see what are they. First one is practice discipline. Discipline is the basic thing for to become a good listener. Sorry, to become a good leader. A good leader need discipline. Developing discipline in your professional and personal life is much in order to be an effective leader. People will judge you on your capacity by to lead the amount of discipline into your work and your profession. That means people can easily judge you while seeing your discipline, attitude, your behavior, or everything. This all will reflect in your leadership quality. Second one is take one more projects. That means a leader, if a person want to be a leader, he should not step back. He should always be on the front row. He should always be on front and able to take any risk at any time. So take more projects means that a great way to develop your leadership skill is to take more than one responsibility. That means always take responsibilities. You don't have time, sorry, you don't have to take one more than you can handle, but you need to do more than simply what's covered in your job description if you want to grow. So if you want to grow as a leader, definitely you need to take more responsibilities in your life. Next thing is learn to follow. That means a leader is always a person who observes others and he is ready to follow anything. A true leader has no problem on yielding control to another person when appropriate. That means if a person is more good than, if a person has something which is very good in his attitude and behavior, then there is no mistake that we have to adopt his things. That means if a good leader, if he is a good leader, if a person want to be a good leader, he has to adopt that behaviors. You should not feel threatened when someone disagrees with you, questions your thinking, or puts forth ideas on their own. That means if you become want to become a leader, don't be ashamed that someone is speaking more brilliant than you, or someone is threatening on your ideas, someone is threatening on your thinking. You do not need to worry on those things, and if there is something appropriate is on their talking, you need to follow that. You have the mind to take that. So that's a better quality. Next one is develop situational awareness. That means that a mark of a good leader is someone who can see the bigger picture and anticipate problems before they occur. That means a good leader can foresee the problems which are going to happen. So, this is a valuable skill to have when handling complex projects with tight deadlines. The ability to foresee and provide suggestions for avoiding potential problems is valuable for a leader. That means if a person has a good leadership quality in his mind, then he has the power to foresee the problems which may going to happen in future. So according to that, he need to take actions. This is very important. Next one is inspire others. Being a leader means you are a part of a team. That means if you become a leader, you become a part of a team. Without a background support, you cannot become a leader. And as a leader, you should be able to motivate and inspire those you work with, you collaborate as best as they can. When a team member needs encouragement or guidance, you have to offer it, because you are on among on that team. If you become a good leader, when somebody need help, that you have to motivate them or you have to inspire. If there is some problem, then if you can solve that, you have to solve that problem. So inspire others through our life and through our speeches. We have to motivate and inspire others. Then it's a major quality of a good leader. Next one is keep learning. A good leader cannot stop learning from others. Always you observe the people around them, and through that observation, he is studying daily. The best path to become a good leader is to always keep learning new things. It keeps your mind sharp and your skill fresh. Next is empower your teammates. No one is best at everything, and sooner you realize that, the sooner you can learn to be a good leader. That means always we have a good leader always need to empower our teammates. Because the teammates are our back support, and the teammates are our power. So how much we are encouraging them, how much we are motivating them, that much they will support you. Next one is resolve conflict. Don't be a manager from hell. Not everyone will get all along the time. That means if you have a bossy nature, definitely you cannot become a good leader. That means a good leader is not on a bossy type. So do not act like boss or manager of someone. Be the person among them. Then we talk. That means if a problem or if something is happened, we need to talk against that problem as one of the person among that problem, not like a opinion leader, or not like a politician, or not like something. So if we are doing like that, the people lose the belief in you. So it's very important that a person need to make others believe in their works and their attitudes. It is very important. So these are some of the good personality trait, good leadership trait a leader have to develop in his career. So if a person have these leadership trait, definitely he is able to become a good leader in future. So always keep in mind that not everybody born as a leader, they grown they grown slowly to become that leader. That the politicians around us, the opinion leaders around us, all they are once a teammate. Slowly through that team they become a leader. So definitely they all keep these things in their mind to become a good leader from this in the society. A good leader always be have a disciplined life, and always have an eye on every problems around him, and have a potential skill to empower others and to inspire and motivate others through their speeches and through their lives and through everything. So those who want to become a good leader, they have to go through these methods. So these steps they must keep in their mind. There are some qualities that make a person to become a good leader. So this is about this. So this is all about what development of leadership trait. I hope you guys got what I said. Thank you. Have a nice day.